So today we're going to learn about how to use merge tools. This merge tool is pretty easy to understand. It might be useful in DNA, coupling, or something, permutations, right? So in this case, the challenge asks us to basically find substring of 2 characters, basically a unique characters for each 3 characters. So it gave us like a group of characters, three characters, and then within that 3 characters we have to make it unique, and then we will contain a unique characters from that string. Okay, so let's go here and implement the solutions. So first thing first, we're going to need, what we're going to need is basically a list, right? Empty list. Let's initialize that, and we will play seen and not seen, right? So for also we're going to use the index right here, and then in range we will start from 0, and then length, and we will go to, we will increment by k, so which is basically 3 characters at once. So we will start from 0 and it will jump into 0, 1, 2, right? So that index, it will be included there. So okay, so and within that characters we will have within that for loop we will have another for loop, nested for loop, right? So this for loop will be going through characters of the string within that 3 characters, right? So that will be char in string, and it will start from index and it will go until index plus k, so that we reach within that slice of string 3 characters. After that, we will have if comparisons. If char not in seen doesn't contain, then we will add it, append it in this case. So we will append the char, and after that we will just print, and we will join the characters with no space. This is, we will turn it to a strings, basically. This is how we turn a list to a string. So that will be seen, and after that we will just have to reset C, so that we can take another group of 2 characters, right? So that's our solutions. Let's try and test this code. So it worked for this case. Let's try it for multiple cases, and it compiled and it worked. So there you go. That's our solutions for this challenge.